This is Mario Antonio pa rin, Project Zero Plot. To continuous repeat. Project Zero Plot. I have a solution regarding floods that hits a lot of countries around the world. The solution is create a recreational park directly among those areas afflicted with flood. Those areas with flood make hydro malls, snow malls. I mean those malls that has swimming pool, bigger swimming pool that has waves. You can serve the swimming pool malls that have 3D fountains and exhibition fountains, and you can have in those areas that have that you can have a recreational park, which there will be hydro statues, different type of statues, whether it's mythology, gods, or simply heroes of this country, or charity. Plus, we can make aside from recreational park, other malls is snow malls. Snow malls are those malls that more like it features ice skating, more like exhibition of snow sculpture, etc. Plus, aside from recreational parks, malls, snow malls, and hydro malls, we can establish a giant fish pond. The first fish ponds that is for tourist and local attraction, and the other fish pond will be for fisheries, for fish farming, for fish production, and your favorite seafoods like squid, shrimps, etc., clams, lobster, etc. So that instead of inflicting us with complexities, it will provide us a solution, products, and nice income for those countries. Another is we can create a garden or an orchard that this orchard will be composed of a lot of plant, or a garden and orchard that will be supplied by, will be irrigated by the city. The flood will be 2 to 3 times filtered to make it more drinkable, more fit to those storage. Aside from that, is the water level here in planet Earth is optional, can be lessened. Less the water level here in planet Earth, and put it into planet Mars, so that we can make a home out of our sister planet. Another is less the water level here in planet Earth, make a space station that can contain it outside planet Earth, and in those in that huge space station that can contain water, among its parameters will be space cities, space malls, space towns, etc. etc. Uh, space vehicles, space cars, Ferrari, Honda, etc. Mitsubishi, Lamborghini, uh, space motors, Ducati, Honda, etc. Space motors, space cars. This has been Mario Antonio Parreño, or Plan Parreño, and Plan Macalino, Indonesia, of Corridara Leyte, and Negros, Bacolod, Iloilo, Ilonggo, and Moran. From Manila, Philippines, mabuhay. Lagi sa lahat, guys. God bless.